this person should have same degree of belief in your concept or idea, because this person is likely to become like a parent. He would be a guardian. He would be a person who would mentor this idea, who would nurture this idea or concept or an opportunity that you are looking at. So as a co-founder, this person should actually qualify that degree of belief in your concept. The second consideration which I believe will be important would be like, this person should play a complementary role. So what you don't have, this person should be able to bring onto the table for this idea. So this could be in form of ability, this could be in form of knowledge, this could be in form of any other resources that are required to make this idea work. So this person should be more like a complementary to your concept or your idea. Third thing which I believe will also be important would be like, as a co-founder, this person should become like a person who takes care of your weaknesses. So if there are four set of abilities which are required to manage a startup and make it big, and if you have two abilities, the remaining two are your weakness or not so high performing areas, then this co-founder should be a person should actually fill in this gap, so that in combination as a team you become like a foolproof solid blend or a cocktail of abilities. Apart from this, I think there should be a mutual high degree of trust, because this association will be like, has to be, it's not just will be, it has to be a complete transparent relationship. So to have a transparent relationship, I think it's like husband and wife, where everything will be known in a complete transparent manner, and this person as a co-founder should have that high degree of trust, high degree of mutual confidence, so that you can actually operate like a partner. One of the last thing which I believe is also important is, if there is some kind of an alignment in thought process, philosophy in life, the value system, I think that's like a bonus and a very good advantage when these two partners work together on a common mission. I think with this, probably you will get the right kind of co-founder for your idea. Just go and search around.